What is up, YouTube? This is RT Kev with another banger. Excuse that noise in the background, guys. They're doing landscaping right here, so they're gonna be making a little bit of noise, and there's a few people walking around in this area. And excuse the mask. I'm in California. You're in public, you gotta wear it. You should wear it. You need to wear it, and I wear it. California is very serious about it, and you will go to jail, homie, for real. So yeah, today I'm gonna do a review on the 2019 Dodge Charger RT. And for those that already been familiar with my channel, you've already seen this car 1,000 times probably. And so we're gonna do a review. I'll get more back to that. So y'all stay tuned. Alright, alright guys, so we're gonna start off with the exterior of the car. As you can see, it looks real mean from the front. You can see that I still have my splitter guards on. They actually took the joints off and I put them things back on. YOLO. I like my splitter guards. I'm doing a black and yellow thing with the car, so I ended up putting them back on. They're brand new in the back still, so I put those back on. So give you a little look at the exterior right here. Mine came like blacked out. So that's the front of that joint right there. Yeah, so I like the exterior. I think it's mean, bro. I think it has a nice little menacing look. So yeah, this is the exterior, man. It didn't come like this. I put the visor guard on there. Nothing too crazy, but I like it. I don't want it too big. All right, and this is the rear end of the car. Got the 5-inch exhaust tips in the back. Debadged all of the emblems that were right there. Replaced this RT with the black. Actually, it came red, and then I just kind of got it painted black. So, 5-inch exhaust tips. Sorry for the leaves where I'm at right now. There we go. I'm trying not to get these people that are walking by. They're looking at me like I'm crazy. So yeah, that's the exterior of the vehicle. I haven't really done too much more than what I mentioned. All right, stay tuned for the interior. All right, now we're in the interior of the car. So I use these, the vanilla Rhino. Excuse the inside. I mean, it's not dirty, but you know, I haven't really cleaned it lately. The last couple of days or a week or something like that. So yeah, you got the nice steering wheel right here. You got all your controls right here. You have your middle piece. This didn't come with it. I put that in. Also these mats. I like these mats. They're nice and rubber. You steal something and they're good to go. Yeah, this is the inside, guys. Pretty roomy, spacious. I like it a lot. Okay, stay tuned. I'll show you more of the car. Okay guys, I'm inside the car now. Let me start it up. It is hot. It is hot, bro. Like hot. Damn, it's hot, bro. Guys, I am inside the car now. I'm just gonna show you a little bit of the features that it have in the, I think it's 8.4, 8.5 screen right here. So basically, it just has your media for things that you want plugged up, or you want to pair all your stuff to it. That's like standard, basically, in every car now. Performance pages. This is how I drive. I roll on this right here. All right, guys. So this is what's under the hood. The 5.7 V8 Hemi. Got my oil catch can right here, the fender mount. I did the fender mount because I didn't want to have it installed in this area and unplug and move stuff around. I just felt like this was like a lot quicker and a lot out of the way. So yeah, I went with the fender mount. And it's right there, kind of straddles the line right here, right into there, and it works perfectly. All right, standard stuff, air box. I went with a Hellcat lower air box on this one. So I'll swap that out with a K&N filter. I'm not gonna open it up right now, but that's basically what's going on in my air box. Yeah, that's really it. Nothing much to see here, guys. All right, guys, let's do the trunk. All right, here's the trunk. This trunk is pretty roomy, dude. Like, seriously, we go to Vegas or Laughlin or anywhere, we just stack everything up in here. My running shoes, my bag, just my work stuff and all that. So, put them out. All right, so that's the trunk. All right, guys, that's my quick review of the RT. Stay tuned for more stuff. Like I said before, remember to follow me on Instagram at RTKev19. All right, man, later. I hope y'all have a good day. Swipe.